Welcome back, everyone. We are down to some very special awards and recognitions, and I am here with the beautiful Helen from Blissful Inspirations Cakes. I encourage you to look at her website to just see just how blissful and inspirational her cakes are. Helen, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Now, how are you? Just if you could try explain how you're feeling at the moment.
I'm in shock. Like, as you can tell, I can't even talk. Sorry.
Don't apologise. This recognition, what does this mean for you and the journey you've had in your business so far?
It means a lot because I decided at 52 to change my career from corporate to designing cakes. And 4.5 years down the track, I've won something from my council. So I'm really proud that it's gotten to this stage and that what I started has become something to give back. And just, I love the creation and just bringing a smile to everyone's face when I bring my cakes. I'm so sorry, I'm so nervous.
There is nothing to apologise for right now. You're inspiring many, not just through your designs, but through your story. For anyone else that's thinking to follow a passion, follow a purpose, if anyone out there is thinking about a career change, particularly after the experiences of what we've just had,
yes.
And they're seeing you now, and you've shared with us at 52, I said, I'm going to follow a dream.
Yeah. This
is not where I want to be. What would you like to share to that person that's watching us right now?
To just go for it and believe in yourself. If you really believe in yourself and you really want to make it work, it will work. You just have to lay it all out there, do the hard work, because it is a lot of hard work, a whole lot of late nights, sometimes I don't even go to bed, just to get the creations, ready for the event. So yeah, just follow your dream, do the best you can, because that's all you can do, and just put the faith behind yourself and say, I can do it, and just go for it. The best I can say.
Helen, that is very wise advice. You keep up your amazing, incredible work with your designs, and if there's anything to validate what you have been doing for the last 4.5 years, there you are, in your little hand, from your own community. So congratulations.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure. She's gorgeous. I encourage you, go to Helen's website, check out her work. It is art.
Art, yes, it is art. I discovered that you can put art onto your cakes, because I used to do a lot of art, was involved in art and loved art at school, and being able to create art in a form of eating it is just amazing. I love doing it, and you can just achieve so much. It's mind-blowing, but yeah, I don't know what to say. Thank you. Thank you for this.
Thank you. We've heard from Helen from Blissful Inspirations Cakes, and we have one more big award to announce, but for now we're going to celebrate this special Mayoral Achievement Award. Congrats again.